Hello everyone, welcome to Utthanam. My name is Nidhi and our today's topic for this video is the numbers or the French numbers or the French counting, and in French it would be les nombres, les nombres, les nombres. Okay, and if you are a French speaker or if you are learning French and if you are traveling to French speaking country, so the numbers is very important for you, as it is very essential for our day-to-day life also. Okay, so let's start our French counting. So let's start with our first number. So our first number is 0. 0. So in French it would be zéro. 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 Please focus on the pronunciation as it is very important. Okay, then zéro. Zero. Okay, then our another number is 1. 1. In French it would be un. 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 Okay, 1. Un. Un. Okay, then our next number is 2. 2. Okay, in French it would be deux. 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 2. Deux. Deux. Okay, then our next number is 3. 3. In French, it would be toi. 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 Please focus on the pronunciation. Toi. 3. Toi. Toi. Okay. Then our next number is 4. 4. In French, it would be quatre. 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 4. Quatre. Quatre. Okay. Then our next number is 5. 5. In French, it would be cinq. 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 5. Cinq. Cinq. Okay. Then our next number is 6. 6. In French, it would be six. 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 Only the pronunciation is different, otherwise the spelling of English and French is same, but pronunciation is different. 6, it would be six. 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 Okay, then our next number is 7. 7. In French it would be sept. 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 7. 7. It would be sept. Sept. Okay, then our next number is 8. 8. In French it would be with. 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 8. It would be with. With. Okay, then our next number is 9. 9. In French it would be neuf. 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 9. It would be neuf. Neuf. Then our last number for this video is 10. 10. In French it would be this. 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 10. It would be this. 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 Okay. So let's revise. Un, deux, deux, trois, trois, quatre, quatre, cinq, cinq, six, six, sept, sept, huit, huit, neuf, neuf, dix, dix. Okay, so let's revise again. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Please let me know what is the number after 5 and what is the number after 8. Okay, please comment me. Okay, and I hope you enjoy this video and you like the content. And if you want to add something else, and if you want to if you want to learn something else, please comment me so that I can make the videos on that particular topic. Okay, so if you enjoy my channel and if you want to learn with me, please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification. Okay, so I hope you like this video and enjoy the video. So just practice, learn hard, learn hard. Just have a great work and have a great day. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Messi, au revoir, a bientôt.